Now in this video you'll learn how to set up your affiliate tracking codes, and obviously how to set up your sub ID with your tracking tool, being CPV Lab. Now of course this could be also within Tracking 202, but that's not what I use, so I'm just going to show you the example with the software I use. Now I've had to do this video again, so some of the things have already been created, but I'll just go through the steps anyway. First thing you want to do is in CPV Lab is you want to go to Add Campaign, and you want to select Direct Link and Landing Page. This is the easiest kind of tracking available for a campaign. So once you've done that, you want to scroll down, you want to set a name. Try to keep it as simple as possible, one that you'll remember. So I tend to just put in the domain name that I've created, and also the geography where I'm advertising. So in this instance it's for the USA. Once you've done that, you want to select the source, obviously being Bing for the network. This appendix code here will come up automatically because it's set by default once you've created it within your settings up here. Then you want to select how much you're paying per click. I've put 25 cents. You want to also check this box here which says pass target to landing page as target. Then you want to scroll down. You want to ignore these things above. Ensure that it's obviously selected to landing page here for campaign type. Now this is the landing page here, so this is the landing page name. Just keep it something simple. So this is the actual landing page which I've already created within my WordPress website. This is the URL. You want to select this, hit this equal sign here. You want to ensure that it's the percentage here of 100%. Now obviously if you was to do a split test, you would have an additional landing page here and an additional URL. Now obviously once you've done that, you would select the equal sign, and obviously it should go to 50-50 percentage here. Now this here is the offer. Now for this example I'm doing total recipe for the US. The payout is $3 and the percentage here is 100%. Now the URL is the information which you need to put in, and that's found in your affiliate network. So you need to go to your CPA network, and obviously this is the part where the sub ID is entered. Now if you miss anything here, don't worry, because there's tutorials within CPV Lab anyway, but it's just kind of, you know, for some members what don't really understand how to do it, it's just kind of, you know, a quick kind of setup steps to go through. So all you want to do is you want to go to Neverblue. You want to select the offer that you want to promote. First thing you've got to do is, of course, you've got to accept the terms and conditions. Once you've done that, you want to add a pixel. Sorry, you want to go to Search Creative. Sorry. Once you've done that, Search Creatives are here. So obviously this is the sub ID created for you. Now you're going to copy all of this code here. So you just right click copy, and you go back to your tracking tool and you paste it in, but you want to delete all of the numbers after the equal sign, because CPV Lab will give you a unique sub ID every time you get a conversion. So that's important to remember. Now if you was going to do an additional offer, all you'll really do is you'll place the offer in this area as well. So you put the secondary offer here, you'll put where what the URL and the sub ID is, and obviously you'll select the network. For this instance it's with Neverblue, so that's what I've selected. And you must ensure that you select the equal sign here also for the percentage here. Once you've done that, you'll scroll down, you just press Save Campaign. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and obviously you're going to have to input certain codes into certain landing pages of your website, and also give back a tracking conversion to your affiliate network. So now that we're in this bottom part of the campaign setup, all you're going to do is you want to give this code here which says tracking pixel, add pixel to the affiliate network. You want to put this code in this box here. You want to place that within your CPA network. So you're just going to right click and copy the code here. When you're going to go to your affiliate network, you're going to scroll down into this area here. But how you get to that area, firstly you want to go to where you've promoted the offer. You want to go to add a add a pixel for this campaign. Most networks are the same, so there's not an issue for you to worry about. So you just want to scroll down and you want to add that code which is given here. You want to add that code down here. Sorry, down here, where it says tracking pixel. Now it's very important that the pixel type is set as image, otherwise it won't track correctly. So once you've done that, you just press the submit button and you're done. Now the additional codes, what you have to do now is you have to put certain tracking codes on your website. So that's what we're going to do now. So the first code I tend to do, it doesn't matter the order they go in all honesty, but the first code I tend to do is I use this code here first. So pass target to LP variable, and this is just a code. It's a very simple code. You just right click, copy the code, copy, and you go into your WordPress dashboard. You go to the pages. Go to the page you've already created. You select the text section here. Scroll down to the bottom, and you place that code right in the bottom. So you just press Ctrl and V, and you're done on your keypad. So you press update, and that's one part of it done. The next part, what you want to do is you want to scroll up. And you want to add this code here where it says add code to landing pages. You want to add this code as it says here, just before the body tag. So you right click this code here, right click, copy it. You go back into your WordPress website, you scroll down, you hover over appearance and you go to editor. You scroll down and you look for footer. You select footer. Once you've done that, you want to really, just highlight within this editor area. Now, for those people that are new, what you want to really do is you want to open up a notepad. You want to Control A. Basically, you want to copy all of this information here, and you want to paste all of this information all the way down to the bottom into the notepad. Just in case you make any mistakes and you do it wrong, you already have the original format which you could just enter in again. So that's all you want it for. But once you've done that, or if you've already understand what to do here, all you want to do is Control and F. Now Control and F will obviously allow you to find the information you're looking for. So what you want to do now is press / body, and this will give you the body information here. And now all you'll do is you place that code given to you from CPV Lab. You just place it in this area here, and that's it, you're done. Now you just press update and it's done. Now I won't do it because I've already got that code within this area, so just so you know. Next code you want to enter in your landing page is next code you want to enter in is this first code here. Now this code, this will need to go into your call to action button or any type of call to action links that you'll have on your landing page. Now this is a long code here, but what you want to do is you want to ignore all of the information which is in the href. You just want to take the HTTP information all the way down to .php. Now that's what we're going to do. Just right click it, copy it, and you want to put this information. You want to go to Pretty Link, where you see Pretty Link here, and you want to go to add new link, and you just want to, firstly you want to put this as a 301 permanent, and you want to add the information here which you've already got. So for instance, it'll just be HTTP. I won't put in the code because obviously it's got my personal information in it. / Yep. Then this will be your personal tracking information. So it might say something like my tracking.php. That's what I would say there. Um, Now here is where you would go ahead and put any type of unique code for your tracking. So for instance, you might put it as 1, or you might put it as 2, or whatever it may be. I just normally just keep it as 1, because I might have a number of them, so I want to know which ones are working better for me, because PrettyLink will also track the amount of clicks that you have, so which is always beneficial. So once you've done that, you want to scroll down, you want to put no follow this link, and you want to press create. That's as simple as it is. Oh, it's saying that it can't be done because I already have one called /1 already, so that's not an issue. But for you, it will just show up fine. So if I just go back, I'll just do /2. So it should be fine now. So as you can see, this is the one we've just created. So you'll use this code now. You'll right click it, you'll copy, you go to pages, go to all pages, you go to the page you want it to go onto, which is a particular landing page. Now you want to put it back to visual if it comes back onto text. You want to scroll down, and you want to use this code in this area here for the button, for instance. So I've already got it entered in here anyway, but what you want to do is you just want to put the code which you've just got from your PrettyLink, you want to place it in here. So this is where it would go. Obviously you want to check as well, open link in a new window. Once you've done that, just want to press update. Not too sure why that's doing that, but not to worry. Sometimes when you're building a web page, the code goes all over the place, so it's nothing for you to worry about. So if you'd go to update, you go to now view page. Of course this is not the best example because the code is a little bit all over the place at the moment, as you can see with the headline and the text here, but that's not a problem. That could just be sorted out easily. But I just want to show you really that now that you click here or you hover over this call to action button, you'll see that in the bottom left hand corner of the screen you can see the PrettyLink which we created, which will still direct you to your CPA offer. And obviously you'll be tracked within your CPV Lab or whatever type of tracking you're going to be using. So that's just something you need to realize. So I think that's it.